Oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. I've got a wonderful feeling. Everything's going my way. O is for organisation. That is why today I'm going to show you how to optimize your kitchen storage. Here's some space-saving tricks for your drawers. Take your cereal box, open it up, trim off all the edges, trim it to the width of your drawer. Now we fold it over backwards to create a wedge. Pop it in. Spick and span and stun. Drawer of spices. And now for the eco shoppers. Tote bag storage. Lay your tote bag down on a surface, fold it into thirds, the same width as the handles. Then we're going to fold triangles. And again, right angle, triangle, so on and so forth. Take the handle, you can give it a little twist, and then you open this edge like a pocket and you pop it inside. Oh, delicious, a sandwich. Now I'm going to show you how to fold your tea towels neatly. Fold it in half, and again. In half, then we go 1, 2, 3, and then it stands up like a little choppy. Let's pop them in the drawer. Now the tote bags, there's it. Here's a fun way to keep your snacks fresh and neat in the cupboard. Take a tension rod, Wingardium Leviosa. Every time. I'm going to attach some bulldog clippies using cable ties and snip off the ends. Let's pop it in the cupboard and clip on our snacks. There's it. Oh, Tupperware lids, you irritating little rascals. Take a lazy Susan, or a lazy Suzelle, as Marianne likes to call it. Stupid. And a slinky. Oh, I love slinkies. Use a bit of glue to make your slinky into a circle. And glue your slinky to the lazy Suzelle. Now let's pop in our lids. There's it. Starships were meant to fly. Oh, no, fly. Oh, just jokes. I'm not a disc jockey. All your lids in one place. I use cardboard boxes to maximize space. Let's make a DIY dispenser for our plastics. Take a tissue box, empty out the tissues. Oh, hello, old friends, for Friday night when you're crying. Carefully cut out the opening. Use a little bit of glue to reseal the box. Pop in your first packet and make sure the handles are sticking out like little bunny ears. Thread in your next one. In we go. Fold it and tuck it and repeat the process. Last enetjie, easy and neat as can be. It's like pulling a rabbit out of a hat. Take another tissue box, pop in your recycling bags or other refuse bags and pull them through the opening. It slides right out. How easy is that? Pop it in the cupboard. I'm using double-sided tape to stick this to the inside of the door. There's it. What a space saver. You can use cup hooks and dowel sticks to organize your wrappings and foils. Pop that through. Pop in your cup hooks. Tin foil, cling wrap, baking paper. Oh, look how organized my cupboard is. There's it. Everything in its right place. DIY because anybody can. This is not only organization hacks, this is actually therapy. Do you know how therapeutic it is to take everything out and put it all back neatly and nicely like this? I feel like $1,000,000. Who needs therapy?